Reeva Rare, Reeva Rare, Reeva Rare. When I saw you sparkling in the light, golden diamonds glowing felt so right, like a dream wrapped up in fire and flare. My heart whispered softly, that's Reeva Rare. Every touch, every shine feels like love was redesigned. Millionaire moments in the air, I'm falling deeper into Reeva Rare. I love Reeva Rare, it's my desire. Jewels of elegance lighting my fire. Every collection a sweet surprise. Luxury love in your diamond eyes. Oh, Reeva Rare, you're always there, in every heartbeat, in every stare. I love Reeva Rare, I swear. From Surat skies to Paris nights, your sparkle takes me to new heights. Custom dreams wrapped in golden care. No one loves like Reeva Rare. Every ring, every stone feels like luxury in my soul. You make me feel like I'm beyond compare. Oh, I'm forever yours, Reeva Rare. I love Reeva Rare, it's more than gold. A million stories to new heights. Every bracelet, every shine tells me this love will always be mine. Oh, Reeva Rare, so bold, so rare. This bold treasures I always wear. I love Reeva Rare everywhere. You surprise me every time. New collections feel divine. My soul, my heart, my love to share, wrapped in grace, it's Reeva Rare. I love Reeva Rare, it's in my heart.